Introducing the One-Touch Blood Glucometer by Shanoverseas, a reliable, easy-to-use device designed to help you manage your blood glucose levels with accuracy and convenience. Whether you are at home or on the go, this glucometer offers fast, precise readings to help you stay on top of your health. With its user-friendly interface and advanced technology, the One-Touch Blood Glucometer is an essential tool for anyone looking to monitor and control their diabetes effectively. 1. Specifications. Measurement range: 22-600 mg DL, 1-233, 3 millimoles per liter. Accuracy: plus or minus 10% of laboratory values. Testing time: 5 seconds. Sample size: 0.5 L. Memory capacity: stores up to 500 test results. Display: large, backlit LCD screen. Power supply: 2 AAA batteries. Automatic coding: no coding required. Connectivity: Bluetooth for data transfer to smartphones and tablets. Portability: lightweight and compact design for easy transport. 1. Alerts: audio and visual alerts for high-low readings. Data management: compatible with diabetes management apps. Warranty: 2-year manufacturer's warranty. The One-Touch Blood Glucometer by Shanoverseas ensures that you have the information you need to manage your health effectively, offering reliability and peace of mind with every test.